Welcome to Quantik Project Manager CRM installation process. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to install the application and explore the various features of the application. First, we need to go through installing the database first. So I'm going to install the database first. For mine case, my SQL server is http:// localhost and phpMyAdmin, and I need to create a database. I just name the database as Quantik Project Manager CRM, and I have created the database. Now I'm going to import the SQL file, which is this one, and I'm hit open and hit go. It will take some time to importing the all the tables to the database. Sit back and relax until it's done. So we have successfully imported the SQL file. Now my project is located in my htdocs folder and Quantik Project Manager CRM. This is one. Now I have created the virtual host to run this project. For mine it is qpm.dev. When I hit it, I came to the login section. Let's log into the system. SHIBLY, and password is 12345. Then hit login. So you see you have just logged in as an admin, and admin has a nice dashboard. It displays number of clients, total team member, total projects, support tickets, running projects, running tasks, project codes, and a very nice event calendar which actually displays the event title and event description when you click on it. Okay, so this is it. So let's go to the client. The client is the vital part for any project management solution, where the client can code any project or create any project, and a number of client can be in the solution. So we're going to first add some clients and modify the clients information. When you hit the clients, I have already some pre-existing clients. You can view the clients and fill up the clients information, or you can send a welcome mail to the client or edit the client's information, or even you can delete the client. When you hit delete, you can delete the client, and add new client will actually allow you to add client email address and roles. We're going to talk a bit later about the roles, but let's say that we have three roles defined: admin, staff, and client management. So let's say that we have three roles, and staffs are the same as clients, but staffs are the internal programmers who actually handles a lot of tickets, a lot of issues, and communicate with the clients and so forth. So this is the staff. The staff is very similar to the client. You just create a number of staffs, edit their information, and when you create a staff, you must assign the staff's role, such as the staff and so forth. Projects are the list of projects that the client have that you have created in your application, and you have the project name, client, status, progress. You will track the progress. You can view the project, and in the project you can have project room. This is the project room. In project room you have the wall, common wall. You can say for discussion, let's say discussion, files. You can attach file, you can track bugs can have status, and you can write project notes. And this is just short glimpse about the project. And similar as project codes, clients can send any codes and you can approve it, cancel it, or pending it. Team tasks are the tasks that you can assign selected staff to specific tasks, and upon completion you can track the progress, and you can also add attachment notes, and you can also comment to the task. Then there is events are the number of events that when you create they will be displayed in the event calendar. So So you can create events and they will be displayed in the event calendar. Events have in date, start date, and the color code. You can edit the event and change the color and so forth. Support. Support is the ticketing system. In the ticketing system, when you create a ticket, you have to choose the client and choose the project and write the ticket subject, and you can set the priority and ticket description and stuff. Which stuff you are going to assign. You can assign multiple stuff to a ticket or a single stuff to a ticket. Then you have just had to create the ticket. I also have some predefined ticket here. So when you view the ticket, you will see that the description of the ticket, comments, notes, and attachment. There are attachment. When you click the attachment, you will see there is a page. It will be opened. You can attach anything like something like that. Mail template is a template where you can send the welcome template to the staff or client. Let's go through these settings. Settings has three options: general, permissions, and mail setting. In general, you can have application title, footer description, company, state, zip code, general configuration, default currency. This is predefined. This default currency, default upload file type, default upload file size, and so forth. Permission. Permission, here you can create. Permission is a very flexible role-based access control system where you can where let's say client. Permission is a very flexible role-based access control system where you can uh, assign whatever type of permission you want to assign to a user that comes to your mind. Let's say that admin can do anything, manage on client. Admin can uh, admin can admin can manage client, view client, create client, edit client, and so forth. Event module, that can be done. Project module, that can be done. Whatever, when you just click the checkboxes and save permission, and specific users will have specific permissions. So let's say that a staff is assigned only ticket module. They can manage ticket, view ticket, create ticket, edit ticket, but they will not delete ticket, but they manage their own ticket too. And staff also don't have any permission for client and event module. And project module, they can manage project, view project, edit project, but they will not create project and manage on project. Okay, so let's log in as a staff and see what he can capable of doing. So you can log out and Shujon aggregate Sherpa 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, Shujon. So when you logged in as Shujon, we can see that we have the only clients tickets. So you have the only tickets that he's only assigned, and also team task, he has only the task that he has been assigned. Similarly, he will also see the project he has been assigned, and for the staff he will see only his staff, and he can edit that and send a mail to him or so forth. Let's say that he is going to upload a profile picture for his. So for profile picture, let's say that we're going to upload the profile picture. Hit save. Oh, the employee needs to enter some employee code, EMP10, save, updated, and when you hit there, we will see the employee code. Okay, so this is the thing, all tickets, but employees are not allowed to delete. So when you if you delete, it says that you don't have permission to perform this action. Similar as the client. Client can have project code, all codes. This client has only one code, and this client can have make a code. The default status will be default status will be pending. Client support all tickets. So for this is the overall thing of the application. Let's also focus on how to change the database settings and so forth. If you open the project, then you will find there is a file name env. In the env folder, you need to provide your db table database name, username and password. When you are done, you are ready to go. That's very simple. So that's it. This is the basic of the project management solution. This is the basic of the project management. So this is the basic of the project management solution. But it will gradually will have more features for the next 1 or 2 months. We are working on this. So happy client management.